Hi everyone. To make strawberry banana freezer jam, you'll need 3 large bananas, 3 cups crushed strawberries, 1.5 cups sugar, and 5 tablespoons of ball real fruit instant pectin. First step I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, you place the unpeeled bananas on a foiled lined baking sheet and put them aside while the oven gets ready. Next, I'm going to just clean the strawberries and get them ready to be crushed. I'm going to mix my sugar and pectin. Get that ready on the side. My sugar and pectin mix looks about ready. Place the bananas in the oven for 15 minutes. Now comes the fun part of crushing the strawberries. I like to crush them small bunches at a time. Makes it easier. Alright, the bananas are about ready. Just pulled them out. I'm gonna let them sit for a little bit so they can cool off so I can handle them, and then I'll crush them too. Alright, the bananas are ready. I can touch them and they're not that hot. It's time to crush them. One. Now you combine the bananas and the strawberry mixture. Mix it up a little bit. Now you add the strawberry banana mixture with the sugar and pectin mixture. And you mix it for about 3 minutes. Three minutes are up. I'm going to ladle it all in one pint jar. This is so good it won't even last a week in my house. You can freeze it or you can refrigerate it for up to 3 weeks. Enjoy. There you have it, boys and girls. Now all you do is just let it stand for 30 minutes for it to thicken, and then you could either freeze it or leave it in the fridge to enjoy right away.